Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Lukman Hakim bin Muhammad Sabri. My student ID is 20, 24, 27, 35 and 22. So for our project overview, our selected case study is Residensi Kajang Utama, which is a multi-story residential apartment building located in urban area in Malaysia. This building adopts an in-situ reinforced concrete frame structure where the main structural elements such as columns, beams, slabs, and roof are cast on site. This construction method provides strong structural continuity and is highly suitable for high-rise residential developments. Residensi Kajang Utama is designed for high occupancy residential use, which means the building must safely support heavy loads, including occupants, building services, and long-term usage. Therefore, a strong, durable, and low-maintenance roof system is required to ensure structural performance, safety, and durability, especially under Malaysia's tropical climate conditions. Now, I will proceed for the selected type of in-situ RC flat roof. For this project, the selected type of roof is a solid in-situ reinforced concrete flat roof. This roof system is cast on site using a temporary formwork and forcework system, where concrete is poured and allowed to harden at the construction site. Steel reinforcement bars, also known as rebar, are installed inside the concrete to improve the roof's strength and load-bearing capacity. The roof slab is constructed as a monolithic structure, meaning it is structurally integrated with the beams and columns of the reinforced concrete frame. This helps the loads to be transferred evenly throughout the building. Even it is called a flat roof, it is actually designed with a slight slope to allow effective rainwater drainage, which is very important for Malaysia's high rainfall conditions. Next, I will explain the justification for selecting the solid in-situ RC flat roof, focusing on two main aspects: structural strength, cost, and maintenance efficiency. Firstly, in terms of structural strength, the monolithic RC slab is integrated with beams and columns, allowing efficient load distribution and supporting rooftop services such as water tanks and hatchback system. It also provides high durability and fire resistance. Secondly, in terms of cost and maintenance efficiency, the solid RC flat roof uses the same materials as the RC frame, which simplifies construction and reduces material costs. The construction process is faster using conventional methods, and fewer components are needed compared to pitch roof. In addition, the flat roof allows easy access for inspection and maintenance.
My name is Nur Hazimi bin Muhammad Zaki. My student ID is 20, 24, 18, 68, 18. So the next slide is advantage of solid in-situ RC flat roof. First, high structural strength and durability. So it provides strong and durable load bearing capacity. So second is support heavy rooftop service. She is able to carry water tank and service equipment. So the next is efficient use of roof space. Flat surface allow easy arrangement and access. Then modern architectural appearances is exchange a clean and contemporary building design. So next is long service life with proper waterproofing. Is reduce leakage risk and improve durability. And lastly is adaptable for future upgrade. Allow flexibility for future modification or addition.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arif Ramadan bin Zakli. My student ID is 2024405066. Today I will continue about our presentation is construction stages or process, which is the first point is setting out and preliminary preparation. The point is mark the exact position of the roof, and the second point is once the reference points are established, necessary allowance are made for future roof materials such as waterproofing, membranes and protective screed. Second point of construction stages is installation of formwork and fastwork system. The construction stages of installation of formwork. A fastwork system will be constructed, which consists of formwork. The third point of construction stages is fixing of reinforcement steel, which reinforcement steel has been installed as required to meet the structural design. The fourth construction stages is installation of embedded services and openings, which all embedded service should be installed in the slab depth before placing any concrete slab.
So my name is Ahmad Hilmi bin Ahmad Zaidin. I will dive further into the construction stages. For stage 5, the process involves concrete pouring and compaction. Concrete must be poured in a controlled and continuous manner to ensure uniform strength throughout the structure. If pouring is interrupted, it can create weak joints into the concrete. During pouring, compaction is carried out using mechanical vibrators to remove trap air. These help concrete become much more denser and prevents honeycombing. Proper compaction ensures the concrete can achieve its design strength and durability. Next would be the curing process. Curing is done to allow the concrete to gain sufficient strength over time. This stage involves retaining moisture in the concrete during the hardening process. Without proper curing, the concrete may be dried too quickly, leading to cracks and reduced strength. Curing also improves durability and ensures the concretes perform well under long-term loading. Stage 7 involves the removal of formwork and structure. Formwork and temporary supports are removed only after the concrete has achieved sufficient strength to support its own load. This stage is critical because premature removal may lead to deflection, cracking, or even structural failure. The timing of formwork removal depends on the concrete strength development and site conditions. Proper supervision is required to ensure safety, maintain structural integrity, and prevent damage to the reinforced concrete elements. And the final stage shown is waterproofing works. Waterproofing is carried out to prevent water penetration into the concrete structure, particularly in flat roof construction. Water penetration can cause leakage, corrosion of reinforcement, and long-term deterioration of the concrete. By applying waterproofing systems, the structure is protected from moisture-related damage. This stage is important to ensure durability, reduce maintenance costs, and extends the service life of the building.
And the last point of construction stages is finishing. Why we need finishing is to improve surface appearance, durability, and prepare the structure for final use.
So, the equation is the solid slab roof is an effective structural solution for the residency prima kajang utama apartment by using an in-situ reinforced concrete frame system. It provides adequate strength and stiffness to support gravity loads, service load, and rooftop equipment while contributing to the overall structural stability of the building. Reinforced concrete also offers good resistance to Malaysian hot and rainy climates. With proper workmanship, curing, and waterproofing, potential issues such as cracking and leakage can be minimized, ensuring long-term safety, durability, and functionality. That's all for me.